Hello Techie, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. I want to teach you the Python as the faster way as possible and more practical way. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. I am getting multiple requests from in my mail how we are going to read the Excel file. Today I am going to discuss how we are going to read the Excel file and how we are going to write the Excel file. For that we have one CSV file. Just we have to look into that. We have the 4 column on that. We have name, sex, age and ticket. In the name basically you see the double quoted. This one is the name, this one is the sex, this one is the age and this one last one is the ticket. Okay, before going to read, what we have to do, we have to import the CSV file. Okay, what we are going to do today, read the CSV file and write the data into CSV file. Okay, now we are going to import the CSV file. Import CSV. Okay, now after that, what's the file name? We are going to read and write into that titanic.csv. Okay, now we have to initialize the title and the row list. Okay, initialize the titles and rows list. Okay, what's the title field name? That is basically columns. We are going to create the list, and for rows we are going to create another list. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to read the file, right? Reading the CSV files. Okay, for that we have to use with open the file name with the read operation. Okay, as alias CSV file and then column. Okay, now we have to, for reading the CSV file, we have to create the CSV reader object. Okay, now we are going to creating the CSV reader objects. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to use CSV reader equal to CSV dot reader and we have to use CSV file. Okay, now we are going to extracting the field name through the first row. Okay, extracting field name through first row. Okay, for that we have to use fields equal to next and then CSV reader. Okay, now we are going to loop each data row one by one. For that we have to use for loop. For row in CSV reader column and then rows, we are going to append the rows. Okay, and after that how many numbers of rows, for that we are going to, how many numbers of rows that we are going to count, right? Get, for that we are going to do out of the for loop, get the total number of rows. Okay, for that we have to print total number of rows. Okay, and for that we have to use %d. Okay, and after that we have to use %CSV reader dot line number. Okay, that we are going to give the number of rows in the particular Excel file. Now we are going to print the field's name. Okay, what's the fields there? We have the fields, right? Name, sex, age and ticket. We have to use print the field names, that is the column name. Now we are going to printing the fields name. Okay, for that we have to use print fields names are then we have to use plus join. Okay, dot join. For loop, basically we are going to use loop one by one. Field, that is the shortest form. Field for loop, field in fields. Okay, that will basically what it will do. It will basically going to give you the result of the field names with the comma. Just like what it will be the output: name, comma, sex, comma, age, comma, tickets. This will be the output. Okay, now we are going to print the rows. Okay, for that what we have to do, printing, we are going to print only 5 rows or 10 rows. 10 rows. Okay, print new line first 10 rows to the CSV Titanium CSV file. Okay, we have to use for loop. For row in rows, if we are going to use 10, then we have to use 10. Okay, and after that we are going to parsing each row, each column of a row. For column in row, print, we are going to give 10 space. Okay, and use percentage column. Okay, and then print new line, print new line. Okay, now we'll go one by one once again. Okay, this example, basically what we are going to do, we are going to read the CSV file. Okay, titanic.csv file. Okay, now what we have to do, we are going to step by step. We are going to open the CSV file using the read mode operation. Okay, this is what we are going to do, open the CSV file. Basically was the file name titanic.csv that we are already defined to the top. Okay, this file name we are going to open with the read mode operations. Okay, now what the second what we are going to do, csv.reader.csv file. Basically here we are going to create the reader objects. Okay, now what's the third one, extracting field name through the first row. What we are doing here, basically here we are, CSV reader is basically the iterable object. Okay, hence we are going to next method. What it will do, it will basically return the current rows and advances the iterator to the next row. This is the first row of the CSV file. What we have, the header, basically the field name. We have save the name into the fields. Okay, now we are going to use for loop. Okay, append row one by one. What we are doing here, we are iterating through remaining rows other than the field rows using a for loop. And what the each row will do, each row is going to append into a list called rows. Okay, in the rows, basically we are going to append the row one by one. Okay, and if you are trying to print each row, one can find the row is nothing but a list as containing all the fields names. Okay, now what's the next, here what we are doing here, basically here we are going to count the how many rows into the CSV files. Okay, nothing but returns the number of rows which have been created. Okay, now we are going to run this one. Let's see what will the output. Okay, let's go to the top. Okay, what's the number of rows here, tens. Okay, was the field's name is showing empty, was the wrong into that, it's not going to join into that. Let's loop into the field for field in fields. Was the problem here is the we are using fields. Okay, the name is mistake here, we have to use fields here. Okay, This is the problem. Now we run once again. We'll go to the top. Okay, now you see, right, we have the four fields, right? Name, sex, age and tickets. Okay, and how many rows are there we have to see. Okay, to the line number, right? CSV reader dot line number. Total number of rows is showing 10, right? And what we are going to show, first 10 rows from the Titanic CSV file. Okay, what the first one is your name. Okay, let's see, go, we'll match with the Titanic.csv, right? Draw out Mr. On Harris, right? This we are going to print first. After that we have to the sex, male 22 is there. Okay, and male 22 is the age. Okay, now what the ticket number, A52171, right? Now after that we go to the second rows, right? What the second one is coming, Mr. John Bradley, right? This is showing, right, from this one. Okay, this is one. Was the sex, male, age 38, and was the ticket number, PC. Okay, the same we are going to down. If you see, Akens, Mr. Lena, female 26, this one. Okay, and rest of them, if you go to the all the 10 rows basically is going to finish, right? If you are going to 5 rows, then what we have to use, we have to use column 5, right? Then it will print only 5 rows from the top. Okay, now we are going to count. This Brad is 1, this is second one, this is third one, this is fourth one, and this is fifth one. Okay, that is that. If you are going to count based on your requirement. Okay, this is clear now. Any doubt? I don't think so any doubt is here. If you have any doubt, just drop me a mail and give the comments also, right? Now we are going to do the, see what we did here. We are going to reading the CSV file. Now what the next step, we are going to writing a CSV file. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to remove from the top everything. Okay, other than the module we are going to import. Okay, let's remove everything from here. Now we are going to writing the any values, any list basically. What we are doing, we are going to writing the CSV file into. Okay, after the read, now we are going to writing the CSV file. Writing the CSV file. Okay, import as CSV will be there. The module we are going to import. Now what the next step, fields name. Okay, how many fields, that will the new CSV file. Okay, field, that is basically the list. Fields equal to name, branch, year and CGPA. Okay, this is the field. Basic field is nothing but the column that is going to add into the CSV file. Okay, now we are going to rows. How many rows we are going to add it? That basically the two-dimensional. Okay, comma, COE, branch name, second year, CGPA 9.0. Okay, we are going to copy paste here. We are going to change the value on that. Okay, 5 field, we are going 5 rows, we are going to add it. Okay, kill Sanchit, John, Dina, Nick. Okay, now we are going to change COE, IT, EC, civil, mechanical, third year, fourth year, first year, third year 9.0, 8.9, 7.6, 5.6, 9.6. Okay, this is basically the row we are going to add into the CSV file. Okay, what's the next step? What's the file name? We are going to give the CSV name of the files. Okay, file name equal to university record. Okay, now what we have to do for writing the file, before that we are going to open the file. Okay, now we are going to writing the CSV file. For that we are going to open the CSV, open file name in the write mode. What we did before in the read mode, now we are going to write. For that we have to use write mode. Okay, add CSV file. Okay, now what the next step, we are going to create the CSV reader object there last time. Now we are going to use writer object, creating the writer object. CSV writer equal to CSV dot writer, and we are going to use CSV file. Okay, now what the next step, we are going to writing the fields. Okay, for that we have to use dot writer rows. Okay, and fields. Okay, first we are going to use fields. Okay, now after that we are going to use data rows. Okay, CSV writer dot writer row and then rows. Okay, this is clear now. Okay, now we will go for top. What we did initial, we are going to fields and rows, that is already defined the top. Fields and rows. Fields, this one, that is basically the list containing all the fields names. Okay, in the top, and rows is basically the list of rows that we are going to add into the CSV file. Okay, now the next step, we are going to give the file name. Okay, what's the file name of the CSV file? Now we are going to writing the CSV file. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to use first open the CSV file in the write mode. Okay, and then file object is named as CSV, basically the alias as a CSV files. Okay, and then the file object is converted to CSV writer object, this one CSV dot writer. Okay, to save the CSV writer object as a CSV writer. Okay, now after that, now we have to use writer row method to write the first row, which is nothing but the field name. This is what we are going to use, write the field name and the field's name into the CSV file. Okay, now after that what we are going to do, the final number, writing the rows. Okay, we are going to use write row method to write multiple rows and one shot. Okay, this is going to write all the rows in one shot. Okay, not going to loop it, we are not going to loop anything here. This is going to write the field name, this is going to write all the rows in one shot. Okay, now we are going to execute this one. Let's see what will happen. Here you are going to see only titanic.csv, right? Now the university.record, that is going to add it here also with the all these values. Okay, let's run and see. Okay, and university record.csv created. Let's double click on that. Okay, you see it, right? Nikhil is going to add, after that Sanchit is going to add, John is going to add, Elena is going to add, and Nikhil, this is going to add into the CSV file. Okay, and this is the your field names, right? Okay, this is added as a your list. Okay, this is clear now. Now for today, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to post more and more video on daily basis. So if you want to watch my video in future, just subscribe in below bell icon with all. He will notify you when my new video will come. And please don't forget to like and share. Thank you.